Welcome to madecv.com. Please introduce yourself.
I am Sally Lagia.
Okay, how old are you?
I am 46 years old from Philippines. I'm here in Dubai for almost 6 years, working as a nanny and housemaid. Actually, I have my I'm still on visa.
Mm-hmm.
My visa will be ended on this end of this month.
End of this month. So,
Yes,
when would you be able to start working? When can you join for a new job?
anytime this month, unless if I have already a replacement.
Mm-hmm.
Hopefully, I can finish till the end or before end of this month.
Before end of this month. Okay.
Yeah.
So, do you have relatives here in UAE?
I have I have some relatives, but far relatives from my father of side of my father. They are living in Al Riga, Dana.
Okay. So, are you single or married?
I am a single mother. I have one daughter. She is 23 years old. She's living dependent in Manila.
She's in Philippines now.
Yes.
Okay. So, please describe your present job.
Uh, Actually, my present job here is I'm taking care of pets because I love pets. Sometimes I love pets.
Okay.
Since I'm here in Dubai, I'm taking care of pets. I'm taking care of a 7 years old girl when I arrived here. But
7 years
my
old girl.
previous
Okay.
employer now is they don't have kids at all, so they have two
Okay.
pets, puppies. So I take care of them. I cook sometimes, but usually I never cook. They used to go outside to eat dinner, lunch, and everything. I just make salad for them, some grilled chicken, grilled beef. I clean the house, ironing, washing.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So, describe in details how do you perform your tasks for each location in the house? How do you clean the living room, the kitchen, the bedroom, and the toilet?
Personally,
Mm-hmm.
it's the same. It's cleaning them after they left going to work. My madam and my sir going to work. I have to clean the everything, especially the bathroom, the dressing rooms, and
Okay, so for the bedroom, how many times in a week?
sorry.
For the bedroom, how many times in a week do you change the bed sheet?
I change the bed sheets once
Ideally,
a week every Thursday.
every Thursday and once
Yes.
a week. So for the
Yeah.
toilet, how often do you clean the toilet?
Come again, huh?
How
Sorry.
often do you clean the toilet?
The toilet, of course, is every day. The toilet is every day, especially the trash can. You need to clean it. You need to remove the bin and change it another plastic. Yeah.
Okay, so what would you do if a delivery man came to the door and your employer is not around?
I can't hear. Sorry.
What would you do if a delivery man came to the door and your employer is not around?
Okay. I need to make it volume.
Okay, what are
Of
you
course, I
going
need
to
to see
do?
in our door here. There is a button. If I see that the guy who's coming, I need to check him if what he wants. And of course, before my boss will leave, they need to ask me something. There is coming here, guys, to fix something wrong in our toilet or electricity. Of course, there is advice for me in advance. But if I don't know this guy, I will not let him to go. Of course, I will call my boss first.
Mm-hmm. So you said you know how to cook. What kind of food you can cook? What kind of food you can cook?
Actually, I'm cooking here. Usually it's a grill. I make salad, but unless
Usually grilled foods.
it depends for the food they want. But I can cook also if little. I can cook also if they will teach me whatever they want. It's a different food for other nationality. You have a such difference. Yes,
Okay, can you follow instruction in cookbooks?
yes, of course. I love cook.
You love to cook. Okay,
Yeah.
what kind of a housemaid are you? Describe yourself.
Honest, trustworthy. Uh,
Mm-hmm. Honest, trustworthy, what else?
Worthy.
Okay, so you're an honest and trustworthy person. Honest and trustworthy person. So give a short message to your future employer. Why should they hire you? Why should they hire you? To your future employer, give a short message. Mm-hmm. They should hire you because
How can I start?
they should hire you because what qualities do you have that makes you a good housemate?
I assure that I am a good. They can try me. I assure that I am a housemaid nanny which is trusted, honest, and because I am also a God fearing. That's it. They can try me.
Okay. So please keep your mobile phone on with you as families will contact you. Thank you from maidtv.com. Thank you.